Alright guys, let's go for a scrap run. Since trash day is tomorrow, as you can see, people are starting to put the trash already out. So let's see what we can find. And I think I'm gonna get lucky today. Like that right there, that's a frame already, so I can pick it up later on. It's just steel pile, but you know, a little bit of steel helps. See, it adds to the weight. Right there's some sofas. See, I don't pick up sofas. All right. Alrighty, what we got here? I need to come back for that. I don't know if that's wire or what. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. I'm a little pissed. It seems that another scrapper came through this side already. He picked up something that I wanted from there, from that house. Alright, we found a little vacuum right there, so let's get in the car. Alrighty, we found a stove right there, so let's get it in the car. We also find some toys, so let's get it on. Alrighty, well, let's keep going. That's a nice little stove. So I'm gonna go back to the house where this guy was throwing stuff. He was outside, so I didn't want to mess around, but I'm gonna go back. Look at that, guys, another washer or dryer, but I'm loaded, so let's see if I can make room for that. Alrighty guys, I had to go back home, unload, since that washer is not gonna fit in the car, and it's a stainless steel. Hopefully when I go home and unload, come back, hopefully it's still there. I will show you in a little bit. Alrighty, so we heading back to pick up that washer that's stainless steel. Hopefully it's still there. We will see. Alrighty, you guys, moment of truth, and thank God it's still there. Still there. So let's go get it. Alrighty, I got it. I'm happy. So let's continue scrapping, guys. Okay guys, I'm going back to this street because I think I found some stuff. So let's go and see what I found. Hopefully this is the street. I always get confused. Alright, this is the street. So it seems that they threw some pool supplies, so let me go check them out, and hopefully there's some good stuff in there. Alrighty guys, now we're gonna go into another neighborhood. This neighborhood is done and over with. I got the washer and I got a water pump, so probably there's gonna be a little motor in there. So let's see what I find in this area. Guys, I found some nice boots in there, so let's go see them real quick. Alright, found a nice tire. Still seems still good. Probably will take it. Steel and this nice little boots. Yep, I will take them. Alright guys, I just pulled and got like a bunch of plates, and I got a bunch of lights I will show you. And right now I'm a little bit exhausted. Right now I'm driving kind of slowly. I don't want to hit nobody. So let me keep scrapping, and I'll show you in a little bit. Hey, what's up guys, this is Jerry. Welcome back again to one of my videos, and this is what I found today. A stove, like a weight bench, and another exercise equipment. I went and bought some blades because I need them. So I found some chairs, skateboard, and this is just 10. Also found this. That's from the stove. And let me show you inside the car. All that stuff you're gonna see me unload it. So let's get started.